Howdy folks. Been hanging on to this one for a while now. I think today's the day. This is an old vintage plumb shingling hatchet. I'm going to take it out along this line. I might leave just a tiny bit there for a pot hook on the fire. Summer's on the way and I'm not going to need a big old axe out in the woods. Perfect tomahawk weather. I'm going to turn this into a tomahawk. And then I got this nice seasoned chunk of Osage orange here, and I think it'll make the perfect handle. If that's something y'all want to see, stay tuned. So the whole point of this is I don't want to mess with the temper or the heat treat. 1 or 2 passes with my cut wheel on the grinder, and then I take cool water and I cool that steel off. I'm probably being overly careful, but I'd rather be overly careful than what you don't want. What you don't want is to discolor the steel here. That means that you heated it up too much. Any discolorment at all and you have heated it up too much, you can't always grind that back out, but I just like to be as absolutely careful as I can to be able to give this steel the best performance it can when I'm done. Oh yeah. Man, look at that. Originally I was going to thin out this hammer pole, but I feel like it's fairly balanced where it is. Right now, taking that little bit of material off has given this a fairly good balance point, which I like that. If I take too much of this pole off, it's going to make the blade side heavy. Right now, this should be nice. Really good to swing. And I like the way it looks. Time to carve a handle for it. Long way to go. did it. Definitely hard to do one-handed while filming, but y'all get the point, I hope. Not going to be processing a crazy amount of wood, but definitely enough to get a fire going fairly quickly and easily. Hear all them frogs? Spring's on the way. What y'all think of this? I guess it's not technically a tomahawk because of the way I hafted it, but it'll do. It's pretty sweet in my opinion. Let me know what y'all think. I appreciate it if y'all made it this far into the video. And I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It'd probably really help me out. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!